Yeah. Oh no, that's not good.
Whiskey paper. It's just like Jenny.
Whiskey. Whiskey. Look here.
Arey, very risky business. Don't eat paper.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is Monday and it's early morning. It's 7:30 in the morning and we all are going for jungle trek. So there is a huge group here. They're in our front and they have activity people who are leading us, who will guide us, and really excited. It's a beautiful weather, it's cold weather, and I don't know, I haven't checked temperature yet, but the sound of flowing water is beautiful. And trek looks interesting, but I don't know my endurance level, as we have eaten too much food yesterday, and I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Safe. Killer. Oh, almost fell down. Oh, I'm already tired. Wow. I first thought this is a dead tree, but look how huge is this tree, and it's alive. It's scary. It feels like it's gonna lose its balance one day.
ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಹಳ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಗಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್?
No,
Hindi or English?
It's a mountain.
2 kilometers going and 2 kilometers is back.
okay.
So totally
4 kilometers. All right.
If you have a heavy bag, just look.
No,
Okay,
fine.
It is little steep, so you have to.
All right. All right. Okay. Thank you.
बीच में कहीं पे रुकना नहीं है, सीधे ऊपर ही।
Okay.
कुछ बीच में कभी मतलब नहीं होगा, ऐसा होगा रुकना नहीं सर, अभी नहीं होगा तो यहीं पे रुक जाओ सर। फोटो चाहिए तो ऊपर ले सकते हो, पिक दे, बीच में भी रहने का नहीं सर।
Okay.
These are teak wood trees, very expensive wood. This teak wood is used for furniture, very expensive wood. Instructor just told us that it is a steep walk and it's 2 kilometers up and 2 kilometers down, and that not to wait anywhere, we have to continuously keep walking. And he also said that if you cannot do it, decide now. I don't know if I can do it. Now I have no other option. Nishu, same with you.
Into the truck.
We have already decided. Let's see what happens.
I will do it.
Daddy,
Definitely, yeah. I will.
but still take it easy, Daddy.
Yeah, let's go slowly. Let's go slowly.
Yeah, all he said is,
The thing is that you have to concentrate. You have to mind your step,
yeah.
breathing.
All he said that is, there's nothing called I can't do it. Once you start, you have to finish it. We just received an instruction again that not to stay alone and be in the group, because there are wild animals around, and so we have dogs who are keeping watch. Let's keep going. It's far. It's a long way because it's steep. So 2 kilometers is gonna take ages. Okay.
ಯಾರು ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಸೇದೋರಂತೂ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Down there, some more distance to go. जैसे तो मर जाएंगे. हाय चला. हाय.
पॉसिबल है मैं तो सो जाऊंगी खा के यहाँ पे
Almost. So that's what we have come here for. Are you guys okay? Everybody's alive. Is this the end of the trek?
No.
Uphill.
Down so.
Downhill, right? Good. You okay? Nearly killed us. Nearly killed us. Should we all say hip hip hooray? Hooray! Hi!
Superb!
Hooray!
Superb! How's the Josh? Superb!
Body is not cooperating. Everything else is there. We, their daughters, almost dead. Hey, be careful. So we can't, I don't know if we can see, but that's the dam there. No, it's because of fog. I can't zoom. Worth coming here because then I will be able to eat enough breakfast. Max, and Max is really protective and a very good dog. Yeah, he's very attentive and he's going around us and making sure that all of us are safe.
One day cheetah came, it seems.
Is it?
Yeah?
Leo tells.
No way.
This fellow protected.
Wow.
Barking.
Acha.
And then we are
So
get
therefore,
You get all
he's carrying
alert.
this. Yeah.
It gives ample time for us to escape.
It's a guard dog. That's a brave story of Max. There was one cheetah once here and Max alerted everyone and then people got saved. So Max is very, very careful. He doesn't entertain us much when we are on the hill. So he's protective everywhere. And he's not entertaining us much when he's here.
Yeah.
He's quite alert.
Watching.
So let's ask, how is everyone's experience? Dad, how was your experience walking steep hill?
I enjoyed a lot.
Oh, I enjoyed it.
But I was tired.
Yes, that was ahead of us. Dishu was ahead of me. I was the last. I was nearly done. My heart was pumping so fast. But it was worth. It is worth after being here.
and show them the view
And looking at the view and there's too much fog. It's like we are in the clouds. Yeah, instructor was a bit annoyed, said don't waste time. Let's go. Because obviously it's his responsibility. And
on time we started at
yeah, we started on time.
we'll reach by 8
We reached by 8. 1 hour, complete 1 hour
so
trip.
they had mentioned 1 hour
And
on time
now I'm quite confident and bit happy that we have to go downhill. Although it is difficult as we have to keep a lot of balance and body control when you're walking downhill. While you're walking uphill, your body is well balanced. There's less risk that way, but it's a lot of strain on your heart. But extremely proud that we're here, and I'm happy that we decided to come early morning.
जैसे आगे पीछे चलते चलते मत झुकना
And it was a lovely trek. Still a long way to go then. आता झाडांच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये असणारच की खाली दिसतातच ना असे होल्स. There are wild animals here. Oh wow. हाँ पापा. Yes. Are. There.
Yes, coming.
Almost there.
अरे बाप रे.
What?
Give me hand.
नहीं 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 नहीं.
Let me this way. Problem. Yes.
We found the place. I don't know what place. What place are we going to anyway, by the way? लवकर लवकर.
पीछे और कोई थे बाद.
नहीं वो बाद में अपने आप अकेले आए थे. That's not in our group.
अच्छा हाँ.
It's just us. We are making sure nobody's left behind. Unbelievable.
हे कुठे गेलं बिस्की?
कुठे आहे? Hey, what is that? What?
Dog.
No, on the tree. Is there something?
No, it's a dog. Let's go. Let's go. Don't stop. It's white dog. The same dog.
No, like a dry leaf. Oh. It's here also one. See,
Be careful. Don't. That's a dog. No, no, the दूसरा dog खाली असता ना ते. Right. So we got people over there. What's that? We're just walking on this small road, a tiny road.
Nishi to puro.
Ready?
Yes.
Huh. It's a different kind of spider web. We've never seen this before. It's got a hole inside, like a cave. Let's go.
See, here is
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah, it's got a hole in between, like a cave. Just be careful, because it's completely sloped now.
there's this place somewhere in India where they have live bridges made out of tree roots.
Yes.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, just still be careful, yeah. Not to just rush. Because people who have weak knee or anything injury, that's where it shows now. You got to be careful, you might lose control. Daddy,
Yeah.
focus.
मम्मी को जाके बताएंगे बस.
No, when she sees my videos, she will know. Too much calf muscles. Exercise. Daddy, be careful, please.
तू जवळ पाहू
छोटे छोटे है, small steps.
गुडघ्यांना त्रास होत नाही ना.
नाही नाही नाही.
Calf muscles ना
तुम्ही
exercise
हॉस्पिटलला
वाली.
जाऊन या आणि मग तिथं मी जाऊन आलेलो.
So that's the home for the ants, and when it builds huge, snakes will come and start staying in. Let's go. I'm sweating. So there is this waterfall from there, but it's not rainy season, so no water, and then water flows from there. It's beautiful, beautiful pond. What happened?
Saying if we can tip that guy who let us.
Beautiful. What's that? There's some people. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that sun rays behind me. It's coming through the trees. I can just hear river from here flowing so loud. It's dam water and it comes with a lot of force, and they have left dam doors open, I guess. Few of the doors open, and that's why there is a lot of pressure. Huh? Yeah, okay. So when we went uphill, we went this way and we came from that way.
कलेक्ट करा मुझे
Plastics or if you fall here, it's a clean water actually. Be careful. Look at the tree, it's all burnt. I guess it's a root, I'm not sure. Let's get mom and then we'll come back. Don't know what kind of tree is this. I'm sure nobody cut them. It's just like that. It's a nice, beautiful sitting place with that view. They have kayaking as well.